Mr. President and distinguished members of the court, I am deeply humbled to stand before you today, representing the world's youth for climate justice and the young peoples of the OACPS, resilient, determined young people advocating for meaningful climate action. Our generation is acutely aware of the stakes involved, and we are committed to driving change. The principle of intergenerational equity compels us to act decisively and responsibly today, to safeguard the planet for present and future generations. We are custodians of Earth's resources, whose current trajectory, if not corrected, will leave a legacy of scarcity and hardship. Climate change threatens the fundamental rights of peoples to self-determination. Indigenous communities like my own, the Maasai people, face existential challenges due to extreme weather events. These events severely disrupt our way of life. States must uphold their obligations to support like communities in maintaining their cultural heritage and sovereignty. This reality is not a mere abstract risk. It is a lived experience that requires urgent action. Mr. President, distinguished members of the court, the young peoples of the OACPS have brought this case to this court because we trust in you, to set a strong precedent that will enshrine intergenerational equity. In conclusion, the OACPS urges this court to affirm in clear, direct, and unequivocal terms that states which have displayed the conduct responsible for climate change have violated their international obligations, and they must face the consequences of their wrongful actions. On behalf of the 1.3 billion peoples of the OACPS, I thank you for your kind attention. This concludes the OACPS oral submissions.